Hello everyone, my name is Goldberg. Welcome to my channel. So this video is unboxing and reviewing the most gorgeous pair of nude pumps, which is the Jimmy Choo Pink. And I am just so excited for this video. I was supposed to post it a couple of weeks ago because it was actually part of my Valentine present, but I decided to post it actually today, so doesn't matter. It's just I'm still so excited about this video, and I cannot wait to show this gorgeous pair of pumps with you guys. So just before we start, you know, I'm very new to YouTube and I would love to grow my channel. So if you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because it just gives me motivation to do more unboxing videos, to just grow my channel, to put some effort and whatever, because you know, YouTube is a hard work and I already have a full-time job and I am just so busy in my personal life. So, but I would love to grow my YouTube channel, and I appreciate every single support. Anyway, let's get into this. So obviously that was the box. This is the dust bag. Let's get rid of it. Oh my god, and I need to come close. I need to come close for this. I have to come close. I can't wait to show these beautiful pumps with you guys. Oh my god, like this is perfection. I personally, I don't own, I've never seen any gorgeous nude pump like this before in my life. Oh god. They're just so precious. I cannot, honestly, I don't even want to wear them. Like, they're just so precious. They're just so elegant, so special. They're like a Cinderella shoes. I don't know, I can't really explain like how I feel about these pumps. I love them so much. When they first came out, I was like really excited. I wanted them so bad. I was waiting, maybe they go on sale or something, but they are not. Like every single website, they're the same price, £750, which is quite a lot of money. And but it's Jimmy Choo. First of all, it's Jimmy Choo, and the second one is that the reason I was like hesitating to purchase these beautiful gorgeous nude pumps, like the perfect nude pumps in the world, was just because I actually I'm a Christian Louboutin fan. I'm like such a big fan of Louboutin, although in my videos as well I mentioned that Louboutin is overpriced, but I just love Louboutin so much. I love like So Kate, I love Irisa design, and for me, whenever I wanted to like purchase a designer pair of heels, my first option would definitely go with Louboutin. And I tell you why. Firstly, because I just love Louboutin as a designer, and the second one is that when I'm spending like £600, 600, 500, 600, 700 pound on a pair of heels, I don't want to, like, you know, I'm very honest, I don't want to be like showing off or anything, but I would love like to be obvious that I'm wearing an expensive pair of heels, because I spent £600, £700 on that. Of course I wanted like everyone to notice that I'm wearing gorgeous pair of like designer heels, and with Louboutin I can do that because of the red bottoms. Everyone will notice straight away this is Louboutin. So as I was saying, like I do love Louboutin so much, and my first choice always whenever I wanted to like purchase a designer shoe, it was Louboutin. Although Jimmy Choo is a lot more comfortable than Louboutin, but for me, like, comfort is not the reason to purchase a designer shoe. I would love the style and like the name of the designer and all that stuff. So anyway, that's why to be honest, I was never a fan of Jimmy Choo, just because, like, you know, I know that Jimmy Choo is so famous for having really comfortable pumps, like Jimmy Choo Roma, even Jimmy Choo Anouk, for example. Although it's like quite high heel, it's still like, it's classified as like a lot more comfortable pair of shoes than comparing to Louboutins. But I was never really interested to spend like £600 on a pair of Anouk, because like no one will notice you're wearing Anouk unless people who really own Jimmy Choo and they're like familiar with like all kind of like Jimmy Choo heels. They know that you're wearing Jimmy Choo Anouk. That's fine. But if you wear a pair of Kate, So Kate, Irisa, Pigalle, whatever from Louboutin, everyone will notice straight away that you're wearing Louboutins. So that is why I was never really that excited or interested to purchase Jimmy Choo. However, when this beautiful design came out, I said that, you know what, I've never seen anything as gorgeous as this. Like this, I think like this is the best design from Jimmy Choo so far, because I know Jimmy Choo has like some, you know, extraordinary, like, you know, these like diamond stuff, like designs and stuff. Is probably they're perfect for like wedding shoes as well, because they're comfortable, and also like these like shiny diamondy things as well. So those are okay, but like normal Jimmy Choo, like simple ones, as I said, Jimmy Choo Roma, they never really excited me to purchase them. But this, when this came out, I said that, you know what, I can't wait to have this, because like the reason I love this, it's just the color, the shade of this nude is amazing. This is like a perfect this is a perfect nude pump for me, because sometimes like, I actually own few like nude pumps, nude heels, and the problem is some of them, you know, are too orangey, too pinky, too yellow, too dark, you know, whatever. None of them are actually perfect nude, but this is, and this will actually this is good for any skin color as well, any skin tone. If you are, you know, whatever skin color you have, I think this will match your skin tone very well, because it's a very neutral nude. It's so versatile. Obviously it comes with different colors, like black, red one as well. I was actually hesitating, should I buy the red one or should I buy the nude one? But like as I said, I just think that the nude one is so versatile. I can wear it with anything. I can wear it with even with jeans, with whatever that you want. It's just a nude pair of pumps. Like, it's so handy to have a gorgeous pair of like nude pumps. However, actually, although I love these like details and crystal strap and all these, like they look like diamonds. Like I do love these so much. However, because it has this thing, it's a little bit too much. It's a little bit like the next level. I'm not gonna, obviously, like for example, I'm not gonna wear this to work. It's not like a work shoe or like a casual shoe if I want to just go like casually somewhere. No, this is more for like special occasions. I don't know, a date night, hopefully post-COVID, like somewhere like a special, and like, you know, somewhere like a little bit better, like than a somewhere more formal or like special occasion. This is perfect for that. But I won't be like wearing this to like just like everyday shoe or office shoe or anything like that. And the reason is, it's not only the diamonds are a little bit extra, it's just kind of like shines probably, and also it's just like, it's like a Cinderella shoe. I don't even want to wear these too much. I prefer to just like keep them in my wardrobe as like a special thing in my wardrobe, like a piece of diamond in my wardrobe. I don't even want to wear it too much, because I think that it's so beautiful when it's so clean and like neat, and like, you know, everything is like perfect. Yeah, that's how it should be. I can't really imagine these being like dirty or muddy or worn off and whatever. But anyway, so there is like two things I just want to mention about these. I mean, they are just gorgeous. As you can see, they are like gorgeous. Like, they are gorgeous. I can't say enough about them. But one thing is, these shoes, they are a mule. So mule obviously is like your what is it called, your feet is out, so there's no like nothing here, so it's like a slider, like a slipper. It's called mule, so it's open, so you don't have any kind of like protection there. So if you walk a little bit fast or something, it's not, your foot is not very secure here. It's just like, you know, obviously there's nothing here to secure it, so your feet is not very secure. And also what I've noticed is that like when this bit is a little bit loose, so when I wear it, like it doesn't fit completely to my foot properly. Like it's a little bit loose, so to be honest, it makes a little bit uncomfortable to walk. I mean, comparing to obviously like Jimmy Choo they are famous for having comfortable pair of heels. obviously it's a pointy shoe, and it's a mule, it's open, and this bit is like that. So I just think that, I don't know, like, although I love this mule design, I want it to be like this, but I was like thinking, if this had a back, probably this would feel a lot more comfortable. And also this bit of it is a little bit loose, and I am just so scared that these diamonds like come off, because like the end ones are a little bit loose as well. So you need to be so careful. They are so it's like delicate, like, you know, you need to really like treat them nicely. They are not like, as I said, they're like a piece of art. 750-pound pair of heels with some crystal strap. It's not a shoe that you can just like treat them like a trainer or whatever. They're just like, they're very special, so you need to treat them specially as well. So that is the only like bad thing I have about them. So if you are concerned that, you know, your feet might are they like super comfortable, they're a high heel pointy shoe, so they are not super comfortable. They are very doable, they are okay. I've tried them and walked with them in the house. They are okay, they're definitely good. Probably they're a lot more comfortable than my Louboutins, but as I said, that because it's a mule, you need to be careful that your feet is not secure here. So some people would like it because it gives you know, some people like it because you know, some people think it's more comfortable to having an open back shoe, but I personally prefer them to be closed. But with this one, it's okay. I mean, it's a one-off it's a one-off purchase, and it's a Jimmy Choo Bing. So with this, I accept any excuse for any excuse is acceptable. Any like negative things is acceptable for Jimmy Choo Bing. But if it was like any other like whatever shoe, I would say that no, like doesn't worth it. But it's a very unique design, it's very special, it's Jimmy Choo, it's so elegant. It's like a Cinderella shoe, honestly. It's like a Cinderella shoe. Beautiful, gorgeous. It's quite light as well. The shade, the nude shade, is amazing. Like this is the main reason I purchased this. Have you seen? Like this is like a perfection. Like to me, like this actually is perfection. I'm always you know, I always actually mention a lot of like negative things about everything that I'm reviewing, but with these, the only negativity that I come up with is that because it's a mule, your feet is out, so you need to be a little bit more careful when walking. And the strap as well is quite what is it called? I don't know. Like you need to be careful like how you're walking in this. I don't think you can like walk fast, or I don't know, to be honest, because as I said, it's a lockdown. I haven't really worn them outside yet to see how my feet is gonna be like all night. But I'm assuming it's gonna be a lot more comfortable than my Louboutin shoes. So yeah, and I'm a size 5, I'm 38, so I purchased these, and I am so happy with them. I love them so much, and they are definitely the most gorgeous pair of heels that I have in my wardrobe at the moment. I don't even want to wear them, I just want to keep them like this in my wardrobe. And I think you know, if you're looking for a very special pair of heels, especially, you know, lockdown is going to be over, we're going to have a nice summer post-COVID, we're going to have a lot of like party celebration, I think it's worth spending your money on these. 750 pounds. You know, if you're on budget, obviously no, but if not, go for it. Like this is, for me, this is the best shoe from Jimmy Choo so far. I was never impressed with Jimmy Choo styles, but this one is the best. And I hope you have enjoyed my quick review and unboxing of Jimmy Choo Pink. So it comes with two different, by the way, it comes with two different heels as well. This is 100 millimeter, the 10 centimeter one. It comes with one a little bit shorter as well. They are the same price, so why not go with the high one? And anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my video, my unboxing. So don't forget, if you've enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I would love to grow my channel. I do have a lot of unboxing and reviewing videos for my Louboutin, for Balenciaga, I don't know, like Gucci bag, whatever. You can watch them if you're interested. So thank you so much. Bye bye.